Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the Bluetooth is not working on Windows 11. So you can follow these steps in other Windows 10 as well, but I'm using Windows 11. So let's start. First of all guys, you need to make sure that the Bluetooth services are running on your Windows 11. Since Bluetooth services are very essential, so look for B series here. This is Bluetooth support service. You can see here Bluetooth audio gateway. Just you need to right click on it, go to its properties and make sure the startup type should be automatic. If it is a stop, you need to just start the service. Let me stop it to show you. Just start the service, then click on apply, then click on OK. Also Bluetooth support service, do the same thing, automatic, start it, apply OK, and also do the same setting with no. You are not able to do the same setting with this. Just leave it as default and just start the service here. Startup type doesn't matter for this only, but two other services make sure automatic is selected here. So this is the first setting. Now close this and check if your Bluetooth service are running on your Windows or not. If all the services are already running on your Windows, so you can try to restart them. If this is also unable to fix your issue, let's move on to the step number 2. In the step number 2, we need to go to the device manager and we will look for the Bluetooth driver here. So click on your host name, and if you are able to see your Bluetooth here, so you can right click it and simply you can update the driver of Bluetooth. If it is not showing here, sometime it may hidden. So click on your computer host name, go to view and show hidden devices and see if you are able to see the Bluetooth here or not. So if you are able to see that, just expand that and right click it and update the driver simply. If this is showing already install automate the latest one, right click, update, browse, then choose this option and select the latest Bluetooth driver from there and start the service and install the service, and after that restart your Windows. And now close this and check if you are able to fix your issue or not. If your issue is still not fixed guys, so you can go to browser here, any browser, and search here Intel Bluetooth driver for Windows 11. Go to first official link, and this driver is for Windows 10 and 11. You can see here, select the latest one, just click on download, accept terms and conditions. So this one is for 64-bit guys. You can see here the notification. Now once Bluetooth driver is done here, just install the Bluetooth services driver. Just click on next, then click on next, then accept it, click on complete one, then click on install. Once Bluetooth driver is successfully installed guys, it's recommended to restart your Windows, and after that you should able to see your Bluetooth is working fine here. If still not guys, so we can go to the troubleshoot. Step number 4 is troubleshoot setting. Just open that up, go to other troubleshooter and run the Bluetooth fix here. Simply run it, and if it is going to load the page like this, so it's going to Microsoft Help, but in your system it may run locally on your system, so that's okay. Just give the consent, continue, and let it detect the problem and see if it is able to fix our issue or not. If this step is also unable to fix our issue, guys, so step number 5 will be the latest driver or latest windows on your system. What happens that sometime your older windows can cause the issue, or if you have recently installed the windows, so older version windows can cause many issues. So check for update and make sure all the updates are installed on your windows, and like green option I am getting, you should able to see that green option that you are up to date as well on your windows. And I'm pretty sure if the Bluetooth is supported on your windows, so your issue will be fixed after applying these methods. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.